morning, guys. For today, I'm still in my PGs. Just woke up. Just woke up a few hours back, and I wanted to film a get ready with me outfit, hijab, and makeup. And I have no idea yet how I'm going to look yet, what I'm gonna do. So we are going to get ready together, or going to bring you guys along with me getting ready. I wanted to unbox this with you guys because I received this box with a kimono from Kimodesty. So I haven't looked in this package yet how the kimono is looking. I did know that they wanted to send me a kimono. So normally I already have all my makeup and my outfit ready right now, but I don't know yet how it's looking, and I thought let's just unbox it with you guys. So I asked her for some information because I did know that that was this thing, not me. So each kimono is unique and they are handmade. So that's what I knew. So I asked her for some more information because I think that's really cool. Just a unique kimono for myself. So from every kimono, they only make one. And a woman, what she also told, women love to have something what not everyone has. Everyone has a exclusive kimono. So I think that's really cute. And it's perfect for Muslimas or Muslim woman. Muslimas is I think Dutch, but because it's covering and it's still really modest. So by the way, I do really like how they how they are packing the kimonos, like really chic. We are going to see together how the kimono is looking. I have no idea, since it's a exclusive one. So you guys are going to see it first. Oh, so cute. They have like flower leaves. I don't know if that's the word for it. In here. Okay. Black. It's always fitting with everything, and there's a little card in here, and it says Kimodesty. That's how I have been reading it the whole time, but she just sent me a voice message that it's Kimodesty. Really cute little card in here. Dear Daidatani, congratulations, you are now the owner of a very unique handmade kimono of Kimodesty. Thank you for shopping in our closet. Enjoy, lots of love, Kimodesty. And I will make sure to put their Instagram in the description box. Oh my god, I am obsessed with these pearls, right, on clothing. And it has little ones and big ones, the little gold ones and the white ones. Okay, I'm already loving it. Okay, I'm so happy. I'm so excited to put my outfit together right now. Yeah, but now first we are going to find some clothing that will look cute with this together, and then yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, let's see, I just sorted out my clothing, so I have a lot of space for new clothing. So here is my clothing. By the way, I'm looking like this right now. I'm just showing you because this is real life. This is just real life. But anyways, so okay, well, where to start? Here are my shoes. I'm missing one shoe with moving. I don't know where it is. What am I doing? Wanted to make it look cute, but yeah. So let's see. I think I want to pair it with some jeans, and I think I really like these. They have this cuteness. And then I want to have black shoes. No, first we have to find a top that I'm going to put on top of it. Okay, I'm thinking of something else. These pink jeans with this pink top. And then black shoes. Oh yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's do this. My friends, Michelle, my best friends, fix my whole closet because I cannot do this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, and now shoes. I want to have short like these, I think. I'm going to put this on. I'm going to chase myself. And then we will see. And then for my hijab, I am going to first use one of these to make the bun and to create more volume. Then I'm going to put on this ninja cap, and then I will be back. then I can show you guys what I do. It's really shine through. You can see really good through it. So that's why I'm wearing this ninja cap. Which is looking so crazy on me. I'm going to make sure that I have one long piece and one short piece. I always have this side as my short piece. First, I like to get rid of these little pieces out of my face. I really need more scars, like a lot more, because like this fabric is not really easy for me right now. I would have liked to use something else for this, but I'm back in black. Real quick, doing the same things. Oh yeah, now I'm going to wear black, and now this is going to happen the whole time. I need a pink one in this color. Okay, so now to make it a little bit different, normally I would tie this together, but now I'm just going to leave it like this. So I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia today, and I'm first going in with this shadow here, and it's called Buen Fresco. And then I'm going in with the color Love Letter. Then I'm going in with the color Vermeer. Look how, whoa, so pigmented. And then back in with Buen Fresco. That's going here. And then back in with Love Letter. Now I'm going to try out this Total Control Drop Primer from NYX. Ooh, it feels really good. Wow, it's filling in all my pores. Wow. So the drop products from NYX, they are bomb. Foundation and the primer. Going in with the drop foundation. Total Control Drop Foundation. I'm going to use this powder bronzer from Anastasia. And then for blush, the Start blush. And then for my highlight, this Nicole Guerrero palette. I'm going to use this color here. Okay, next time when I'm going to film a tutorial, I will be first wearing a turban, I think. This is not nice. And then I'm going to blend this darker pink color on my lower lash line. I don't know if you notice it, but I am in a rush. Best friend Michelle she's going to help me with filming the outfit, but she's already ready from her work, and I would pick her up, so I'm rushing. And then for my lips, this Anastasia liquid lipstick in Poot. lighting was because I wear black. Still have to buy another camera. I'm telling you guys this for already 3 years. But so I decided to just end this video with my phone, since I was like super bright and all of that, and the sun is shining right now. So I just thought, let's do it like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed a video like this, like totally getting ready with me. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Niet doen! Niet doen!